lot of you don't know that I enjoy a good cigar now and then. Back when I used to do my first videos, at the end of the video, I'd have a bottle of whiskey out and a cigar, and we would talk about, finishing a great meal with a great libation, a great cigar. I kind of got away from doing that on the channel, but my friends at Newair know that I like a good cigar, and they wanted to hook me up with a really good humidor. So you can see the humidor that I have is a very nice one. It works, it holds all my cigars, but this is the level up in cigar care. So we're just gonna unbox this bad boy, go through it, set it up, get it primed, get it ready to go for adding my cigars to it. And guys, this is a good one. So if any of my subscribers are into having a good cigar, there's a link down below if you want to get one of these. It's an affiliate link. Doesn't cost you any more to use. In fact, you save about 10% on it, and it helps out your boy. So go ahead and check this out, and by the end, tell me if you want to get one or not. These things are badass. All right, let's get this thing unboxed. This Newair Electric Cigar Humidor is a 250 count, so it holds 250 sticks. It features a digital hydrometer with double pane glass door. It has a digital thermostat that cools as low as 52 degrees. It has adjustable Spanish cedar drawer and shelves. This humidor has internal fan force circulation for even humidity. And of course, it has a lock and key to protect your valuable collection of sticks. All right, guys, here it is in all its glory. I saved you the huffing and puffing of me pulling it out of the box. Guys, the packaging that this thing came in was just exquisite, perfect. All right, there's no way this thing was getting damaged on the way over here, no matter what they did to the box. So, good job, Newair. All right, so I assume that's a reservoir for your water. We got our instructions and warranty card, all that good jazz. Giving you a view of the back. That's where you put the cord. Instruction manual. Got the keys to keep your sticks on lockdown. You don't want people coming in and stealing your sticks, all right? I don't always tend to read the instructions, but on this one, I think it's a good idea. You're spending money on not only the humidor, but you're also spending money on your cigars, right? You want to make sure the seasoning is done properly so your cigars stay in good shape when you're transferring from your main humidor to your new one, right? So as we're going through the instructions to set this thing up, it takes a few steps. So basically we're gonna take a little bit of time. We're gonna wipe out the inside of the humidor, get that, factory smell out of there too. We don't want anything to clash with our cigars, right? And we're gonna set it up in its permanent spot, which is gonna go right over here on this black cabinet right here, and it needs to be leveled. So there's 4 adjustable feet on the bottom of the humidor to help you level it out. More than likely it'll come where you want it, but you got to do it, right? You don't want the water moving one way or another. You don't want your cigars to be off kilter or the humidity getting screwed up in there because it's not leveled out. So the next thing we got to do is season the humidor, and that takes distilled water. You're gonna get your water in your reservoir here. Shut this down. You wanna make sure that you keep the shelves in there and everything. Okay, this is what you do before you add the cigars, right? And then once it comes up to the humidity you desire, then you can start adding a few cigars at a time. You don't wanna shove all your cigars in there all at once because it's gonna all suck up all the humidity you built in there. You want it to come together slowly. We set the temp in there to 68 degrees. That's what we keep our house at, so I figured it, works. It's going to take a few days to actually be able to put my cigars in there. We put the distilled water in there. I keep my humidors between 70 and 71% humidity. Right now, the humidity gauge in there is showing 56%, so it's gonna take a while to get it where I want it to be. And then also, season up those cedar shelves and all that. So guys, we'll have to do a part 2 to this video of us stocking it, kind of coming back on what it looks like when it's done, going from just a regular desktop humidor to the real deal humidor here. Listen, if you made it this far, please hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, all that good stuff. If you'd like to get one of these, like I said, there'll be an affiliate link down below, save you 10%. It's always good to save money. Throw in the comments if you are a cigar smoker, what cigars you like, what's your favorite smoking ritual. I like coffee with my cigars, and of course I like whiskey with them too. So you tell me what you do with your cigars. Also, guys, if you want to become a show producer, like all these awesome people scrolling in front of me, people I don't know if they actually like cigars or not, but they're fans of the show, they're producers of the show. So if you want to be like them, There are 2 ways you can join up. You can hit the Patreon link in my video description, or you can hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now, right? But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for doing a little unboxing with CJ. Take care.